Okay, let me go to the next problem. Now, a point source S has been placed as shown in figure. What is the length on the screen that will receive the reflected light from the mirror? It is again based on the ray diagram. Let a ray incident at one end of the this angle of incidence should be called angle of reflection. Now we have to draw the diagram properly here also. Then another set of ray will incident here. Angle of incidence should be called angle of reflection. Keeping that in mind, the ray should be, so this is what P1, P2. That P1, P2 has to be determined. So here theta 1, theta 1, this angle of incidence theta 2, theta 2. These two rays will not be parallel. You have to be careful. Now you produce back these rays. And we know from the mirror concept, if there's an object distance, this should be made distance. Getting the idea? This one. So now he's asking that length P1, P2 has to be determined. So these angles for our calculation purpose, okay, we'll take this. This is alpha. This should be the alpha. If this is beta, this should be the beta. Are you seeing any similar triangle? Yes, again, you are going to take help of the triangles here. So let this be O. Some will use this is A, B, C, and let this be D. Let this be M, and N. So from these two triangles, look at this one. These two triangles will be similar. From similar triangles, So S1, NB, and S1, M, P2. So tan alpha should be equal to opposite Bn by S1n, or P2m by S1m. So what is Bn? Bn should be equal to H. This distance should be equal to H. And even this distance also should be equal to H. From this triangle, this should also be equal to H. P2C should be equal to H. I'll write it here now. Okay, let's get into calculation part. So Bn will be H. S1n, S1n will be 2H. P2m will be definitely, P2m is asking. Okay, now we'll see what we'll get from calculation. S1m will be 4H. I think it's correct, no? Justified, and P2C should be equal to P2M should be equal to P2C plus CH. I think no need to, from diagram only we can tell it. Okay, let's go for this one. Okay, now I got the P2, P2C. What is P2C will be H only. Let's go for these triangles. Now here again a similar triangle will come. M, N, O, P, Q, R. Okay, N dash, I'll write it. Similar triangles. S dash N dash A and S dash M P1. Tan beta should be opposite A N dash by N dash S dash. M P1 by M S dash. Okay, this if you substitute A N dash should be H, N dash S, this should be H, M P dash. Sorry, MP1. MP1 we don't know, but MS dash we know it is equal to 4H. So MP1 should be equal to 4H. And we wanted P1C. Okay, this okay. P1M can be written as P1C plus CM. So MP1 or P1M, that is 4H. P1C we don't know. What is CM? CM is H. So what is P1C? 3H. So what is the length P1, P2? P1, P2 should be equal to P1C minus P2C. P1C is 3H, 2H. Just apply the basic triangle properties there. Okay, where the reflected ray, there's a field of view. Here open, the reflected rays will reach here only. There's a region in which, so what about reflected ray will not reach here. The reflected rays will be present in this region. So what we should call this one as reflected rays are present. The reflected rays are present only in this region. What about here? No reflected ray. Direct ray can come here. There'll be direct ray can be incident in this region. Direct ray can be incident region, but the reflected ray will be present only in this region. This will be our answer.